Morning, everyone. Let's keep today's inspection smooth. Copy that. All systems are online. ID confirmed. Health record verified. Move him to lane 2.
Horn width looks perfect. Record 122 centimeters. Measurement saved.
Feed ratio is right on target. Conversion numbers look excellent. Open gate 3. Gate 3 is clear. Keep the flow steady.
Surface quality looks clean. Approve this batch. Inspection complete.
Increase spray pressure slightly. Maintain even coverage. Flow rate looks perfect. Pressure is holding at target. Keep the spray uniform. Cleaning cycle is stable. Drum speed is 40 RPM. Surface finish looks excellent. Keep the rotation steady. All approved pieces are moving forward. Assembly stations are ready. Let's begin the production run. Production line is ready. Starting the first cycle. Let's make it a perfect batch.
Thread tension is stable.
Keep every stitch perfectly straight.
No skip stitches.
Edges are coming out smooth. Finish every corner evenly. Surface quality looks excellent. Hardware alignment confirmed. Secure every fitting. Assembly is clean. Pressure is holding. Embossing depth looks perfect. Pattern is consistent. This finish isn't consistent. Move it to rework. Approved pieces continue. Outstanding consistency. Packaging line is ready. Let's prepare this shipment. Final inspection has started. Check every stitch carefully. Everything looks consistent. Packaging line is running smoothly. Protect every product. Boxes are perfectly aligned. Labels verified. Seal every package.
Shipment data uploaded.
Move these pallets to export zone A. Route is clear. Inventory updated. Export documents approved.
Container assignment complete.
Release today's shipment. Load the front section first. Weight distribution looks balanced. Secure the container. Shipment cleared. Destination confirmed. Safe journey. Another successful production day. Quality stayed consistent from start to finish. Let's do it again tomorrow.